going on back there?
I don't know. Hopefully it's a bass. I don't know. Oh yeah, that's what we need. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back. So the fishing videos are back. So this is an aluminum fishing series we're fishing right now. It's a 2-day event. Today I think we're going to start out, we're going to try to hit some like grass patches with some traps and stuff and hopefully catch 1 or 2 bigger fish. And then after that we're going deeper. We got second spot is going to be kind of more of a number spot, just hope for a decent fish or 2, and then the last spot we're probably going to spend most of our time, but that's going to be our more solid fish. We're going to try to camp out there for a good bit, just hope we can generate a couple nicer bites. So I think if we can get to the 17-pound range, I think we're going to be sitting good for day 1. But there's some sticks in here, the old aluminum boats. They don't play around, but they're calling for some crazy wind, so hopefully we don't get blown around too much in the old SS Bullet. But y'all stay tuned and find out. We got a later blast off than normal, so we got plenty of time to wake up and talk about what we're gonna do, so y'all stay tuned.
Too much water. There's some koi fish in there.
At least you didn't end up in the lake. I mean, never real. What do you got? 5? 4. 5?
Get out old bullet place, man. You're in the no way zone.
There's your first boat to fish inside here.
Yeah.
That's how it was. I found them in that one spot, and I'd catch 2-pounder, 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 and then I'd catch like a 10-incher and then 3-pounder. Better one?
Yeah.
Keep though.
I think you're good.
Barely, huh?
I'll take barrel.
About to say. Oh, I got thumped. Another spot. I don't think he'll make it though. I didn't catch the first spot the other day. He's 12.
Yeah, I forgot you had them cold.
Me too, honestly. Do what? Oh, he's not happy. A little bigger profile.
One thing I've done before is being a lot of little ones. I noticed get it before the big ones will, you know, they attack it.
Yeah.
It went like a big bait.
Yeah.
It's the big ones. The little ones, they attack.
Well, I'll get through all these little ones and you just get the big ones. We'll do a little tag team action on them.
We'll do that in a minute, it won't move.
Hey, finally a largemouth though. Now I just gotta get the size. A little better. Oh yeah. Vehicle. That'll fall a little bit. Yeah. I think I know where we may need to start tomorrow.
Yeah.
They're just short chunks, that was a bad thing.
I'll put some more water in there when we go to leave. How many is that? 4?
4, yeah. Torpedoed out of the water.
It shrunk.
I was about to say he spit it and that one hit it on the way up, I
10-pounder
guess.
got off. I never put it down. It's amateur hour. So gee.
What, not put the plug in
I
or?
never put the plug in. That's how I roll. Forgot all about that. days are over. I'm all washed up. You don't do that. I was like, oh, where the hole is.
That's weird. I was just thinking, I was like, man, is this thing leaking?
Just hit.
There we go. I think so. Better than what we got. It might be shrinking.
Yeah.
Definitely cold.
Yeah.
Thank you. No, I didn't pop it much.
What's going on back there?
I don't know, hopefully it's a bass. I don't know. Oh yeah, that's what we need. I saw it, we went over a bait and there's like 9 circles on, or dots, whatever you call it, underneath it. That's a good one. Oh yeah.
That'll work. I said the ones we caught here were good.
Heck yeah.
But,
golly, barely hooked.
was it?
Yeah. That'll call our last spot though. Yeah, there's probably 9 to a dozen. But it was weird. I didn't know if it was bait or if it was like the propulsion off the trolling motor, because like right at the top.
It was at the top too?
No, they were at the bottom. I guess because the trolling motor's going that way, I thought it was a giant.
Good, man.
I'd take five of them today.
That's kind of what I was expecting, because they all like that that was catching over here.
Yeah.
Not all of them, but a lot of them. Better than average. But it's not as...
It almost seems like they moved out more. Like I would think they'd... That's not as big. I can't tell. Maybe another decent one. He's running at me. Oh. Oh.
That's aggravating too, because that's where a lot of them dots are.
Yeah. Well, when I cast behind the boat, I was like, it's either going to be drum or it's going to be bass.
And a lot of them are that size too when you're catching, which looks just like a bass. Well, they're all mixed together.
Had my hopes up. Thought we went back to back, cold. Yeah. There we go. About to reel it in too. I can't tell. I think it's got a little bit, but yeah. Golly, that's a freaking chunk.
I seen the minnows cutting out before I. That's what, if you could do that, that's nice. So I knew there was something making them act like that.
Oh, you know, this is where the fun begins.
Yeah. He's still around. You know, I don't think he's like he blew up right here and chewed.
Yeah, gone. Go. There we go. This may be a coal. Bring him to this side. Oh yeah, definitely gonna be a coal. You know, giant, but definitely better than what we got. I'm gonna have to start weighing these fish. I was about to say, it's hard to tell how big they freaking are. All right. I don't remember what freaking colors we said are small. I feel like orange and red, right? And red was smallest? Definitely red. And Rocky Top's smallest. Sweet. I'm gonna go through and weigh these things real quick.
Just gonna bag in there.
The whole thing. Oh, 4. I got 5.
5 fish.
5 fish.
Anything big?
No.
We got some good ones in there though. This is gonna be a good bag. It's a good start to the tournament, gentlemen.
Oh, there's rough.
Do you want to divulge any information yet or no?
And we don't have
That was a hard no, everybody.
We'll see what tomorrow we'll tell you.
There you go. Don't
Make sure you're grabbing the water underneath with the drain on that bag so we can put it back in. Yeah.
I'm gonna get some tonight to hold this open.
You good? You good? Ready? All right, we got 5 fish limit coming to the scales.
There you go.
A pretty good one. Be about 15, I think. Yep. 1441. 1441.
You good, buddy?
All right, guys, well, that wraps up day 1. We're currently sitting in 6th place. We're 6 pounds behind first place. First place had right at 20. They had like a 7.5 pound kicker, so we're playing catch up to that. We gotta hope we can drop a bag tomorrow because it's gonna take a good bit. So y'all stay tuned. See if we can't put together something tomorrow. I think we got a good shot, but we gotta hope for that big bite. So fingers crossed, and y'all stay tuned. We'll probably post day 2 here in the next couple days, so y'all be watching.